Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T Sportline, and I can't wait to get right into it with Project Superman. Yes, you heard it right. This is the car that Superman would drive. But for our client, who's a huge fan, we made his vision become a reality, sparing no expense, as this car has been customized completely from the exterior, and then wait until we get into the interior. So, starting off with the outside, as you can see, this car came to us as a beautiful Tesla blue color, the metallic blue. I love it. And what we did is we got rid of all the chrome trim by actually painting it the factory color. So chrome delete, but instead of using vinyl wrap film, we actually painted it to match. Very monochromatic, looks absolutely great. Notice the front Tesla T logo and the rear Tesla T logo. This is the beginning of the Superman theme. And then right at the wheels, our best-selling, the world's lightest, one-piece forged, 21-inch wheel for the Model S. They're called the TS115, finished in satin black, very open, very sporty, shows off the red calipers, which ties in with the theme. And these wheels actually weigh 33% less than the factory Tesla 21-inch turbine wheels. And that reduction in unsprung weight will actually make this Superman fly faster and much more efficiently. So this is what we've done to the exterior. Now follow me inside to the interior for really what makes this Project Superman what it is. Welcome to the interior of Superman's Tesla Model S. I also forgot to tell you that this is not just a regular Model S. This is the dual motor performance. And of course, Superman needs to have the fastest Tesla, the fastest production sedan in the world. And that's what this car is all about. Starting off with the headliner, reupholstered completely in a very special blue color Tappas Suede. The upper dash was two-tone blue Tappas Suede, and then Bentley Red leather. Blue stitching throughout the car. The door panels, completely reupholstered in Bentley Red leather with our signature diamond quilting design. Nice little touch of the blue stitch on the panel. And then we dyed the speaker grille red to match because that's normally black from Tesla. The dash decor, the center console sliding and flip doors, the cup holder area, blue carbon fiber, a first for us. We do carbon all the time, but we've never done blue carbon, and this is definitely a world's first. The steering wheel has been reupholstered using blue carbon fiber top and bottom, Bentley red leather sides, and then we dyed the airbag cover red to match. Total custom, very unique. The seats, all red, perforated, diamond quilted in the upper neck area, and the Superman logo, of course, embroidered in the headrest. Blue stitching to contrast and bring it all together on the seats. And then that extra touch, the seat belts are yellow. Again, tying in that Superman theme. And the seat backs, those have been painted red to tie it all in, but it also kind of resembles Superman's cape. So as you can see, there was a theme here, and I really believe that we came through for our client. He's actually flying down today to pick it up. He's not from Los Angeles. We get cars from all over the country sent to us. This particular one, again, is not originally from LA, but he's flying in today to pick it up. I can't wait to see the look on his face. It's going to be incredible. We knocked it out of the park on this one. Thank you so much for watching. Hands down, this build is one of my favorites of all time, and I'm really proud to share it with you. I also want to thank our customer, AKA Superman, for trusting in us to go ahead and bring it and make his vision a reality.